Hello everyone. Today I am going to solve this exponential equation. The equation is if 2 is to the power 3x minus 1 plus 8 is raised to the power 1 minus x is equal to 4, then we will have to find out xth root of 25. So let us start with the proceeding. We can solve it adapting two approach. Either we can convert it in the base of 8 and left it in the same base, or we can convert it in the base of 2 power 3. Either way we can solve it. So let us start with the proceeding converting this base into 8. We can write it 2 power 3x over 2 plus 8 over 8 power x is equal to 4, as a power m minus n is equal to a power m over a power n, applying this power formula. Now we can further write it as 2 power 3 over x divided by 2 plus 8 over 8 power x is equal to 4. This we can easily see this has become 8 is raised to the power x power over 2 plus 8 over 8 power raised is x is equal to 4. Now if we multiply 1 by 2 both sides, 1 by 2 into 8 power x over 2 plus 1 by 2 8 over 8 power x is equal to 1 by 2 into 4. Why I am doing this? Because we multiply 1 by 2, this will become 4 and this will become this will also become 4 and they will remain unchanged. So this will become 8 to the power x over 4 plus 4 over 8 to the power x is equal to 2. Now we can say that if we put it as a, if we can put it as a, then this will definitely become 1 by a. So let us put 8 power x over 4 is equal to a. We will get from here a is equal to a plus 1 over a is equal to 2. Now this is very familiar equation. We can simplify it in that way. A square plus 1 is equal to 2a, multiplying both sides by a. So we will get this one. This implies if we transfer this one to this side, we will get a square minus 2a plus 1 equal to 0. This means this is a minus 1 to the power 2 is equal to 0. This means a is equal to 1. So we have got a is equal to 1. Now further we can substitute this a value here. 8 power x over 4 is equal to 1. This means we can further simplify it. This means this will become 8 power x is equal to 4. This means 2 power 3 power x is equal to 2 power 2. This means 3x is equal to 2, as when the base are same and the base are same, if a power m is equal to a power n, where base are same, then m is equal to n. This is another power rule. We can say that x is equal to 2 by 3. Here we have got x is equal to 2 by 3. So we are required to find out xth root of 25, x at root of 25. This means 25 power 1 by x. This means 25 root. If x is equal to 2 by 3, then 1 by x is equal to 3 by 2. This is will become 5 power 2 power 3 by 2. Again applying power rule, we will get 3 by 2. This means this. So 5 power 3 is equal to 125. So we have concluded that the value of this one will become 125. In this way, we have come to the conclusion of this video. Hope you have found this video interesting. If so, please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please give a thumbs up as well. Till the next video, it's goodbye. Thank you for watching.